So, today we're making my friend happy. Oh, Lisa, what are you doing? I'm just making flowers. Ah, that's a good idea. Let's go. Oh my God, big robot I found. Oh no, I better go. Big one. I better go to her house, but he's crying on me. She playing TTT3. She's crying on there, and she doesn't do anybody see her like that. So let's go somewhere to make her happy. So I will make her see it. Okay. There! It's okay. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, he's back. Let's go to her before it's too late. Let's go now, guys. Look. Let's go to my friend's videos. After going on avatars. Wait, what? My new clothes is back? Oh my God. Wait. Okay, let me just. It must be something. Oh. Wait. So I played TTT. Now I just played this game, and I'm done. I'm so glad I played this game. So, but I get my own clothes. I'm so happy. I'm so very happy. Back to me here. Okay, we are back, guys. She's so happy right now. I just see her video. So let's go see this. Let's go. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? No!